The TVK, led by actor-politician C. Joseph Vijay, has secured a historic performance in its debut election, winning approximately 108 seats in Tamil Nadu Assembly election. While short of the 118-seat majority mark in the 234-member Assembly, TVK is currently the front-runner to form the government. Consultations are currently underway with the potential allies such as Congress, VCK and the left parties. As Vijay's party leads in 108 constituencies, here is an overview of the TVK's major election pledges. What's noteworthy is that he included everyone in his manifesto, be it the farmers or even the elderly widows. With Vijay likely to emerge as the new CM of Tamil Nadu, let's have a look at the promises he made to the people. The TVK has promised a monthly allowance of 2,500 for women homemakers, 6 free LPG cylinders per year, 1 sovereign of gold and 1 silk sari for wedding, a gold ring for every newborn child and free travel for women on government buses. The party has pledged to establish 100 residential schools, provide education loans of up to Rs 20 lakh without collateral, offer free coaching for competitive examinations powered by AI, and provide assistance to parents to help reduce school dropout rates. The TVK manifesto includes medical insurance coverage of Rs 25 lakh per family, free annual full body health checkups, modernization of government hospitals, and the implementation of a drug-free Tamil Nadu initiative. The TVK has promised a monthly stipend of Rs 3,000 for the elderly, widows, and people with disabilities, 200 units of free electricity, drinking water connections for all households, and issuance of the land title deeds to those currently without them. The key pledges include a monthly allowance of Rs 4,000 for unemployed graduates, Rs 5 lakh paid internship opportunities, 5 lakh government job vacancies, loans of up to Rs 25 lakh to start new businesses, and priority for Tamils in government employment. The TVK has also made various specific pledges for farmers, including an annual financial assistance of Rs 15,000 waiver of crop loans, 100% crop insurance coverage, and the installation of 5 lakh solar-powered pumps. With TVK emerging as the single largest party, all eyes are now on government formation as Vijay seeks allies to reach the majority marks. However, the question that remains is how much of these promises will actually be fulfilled.